Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video I want to walk you through the process of how to install floated wall panel. This is the guy we have here. We're going to install it right in the ceiling, and I want to walk you through step by step of how to do this. If this is something that you're interested of learning how to do, you choose the right video. But before I jump into the video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this one. Let's get started. Okay. 7 feet and 3/8 is what we're gonna cut our first strip. You good there, sir? You lock? Okay, so we're gonna use this here to insert. So this is how you install. Just push it right in. I'm using some drywall screw here. So the first thing I did here, I install a strip onto my wall. I catch a level mark right through. I screw this strip right onto the wall. On this end over here, if you come over here, you could see I buck this end right onto the wall itself here. That way I don't have to put a strip over there. These are the clips that we're gonna use to anchor and secure the panel. As you see, I'm gonna install one right here now. I'm using some drywall screws. Okay, so we're just gonna secure this bad boy here now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a measurement to cut this one here. We're gonna measure from this wall over to that wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a cut right now. So I already measure. My measurement is 95.5. Bucket down there. 95.5. We're gonna line up our blade before we cut it, line it up to the mark, just like so. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the cutting. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start the installation. Now you have two sides to your floated panel. As you see here, you have this side, and then you have this side, which is the side that holds the clip. This is the side that you would fit your clip into, just like so, just like that, and then you would screw this into your wood. If you're starting, you want to start with this side. This side is the finishing side. So for instance, you would want to start first, you'd want to go, this is your starter piece, and afterwards you would continue on with the same direction and clip it into here. So you see you have a groove right in here. You would have the second one, you would turn the same face like this side, and you would clip it right in there. So that way you won't be able to see the white the white hedge. So you would clip it right in place, snap it right in place, just like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install this piece for you guys to see. Remember, we want to turn this side inwards. So now I'm gonna shove this one right in. Just gonna tilt it down a little bit so that way I can get it in. Shove him right in like so. After I fit that side in, I'm gonna go down here to fit this side in now. So now we're gonna push it. I'm gonna shove it in like this so that way it can lock in into the clip that I showed you guys earlier. Just check to make sure that all of it is in line. So now I'm gonna get my clip. If you come closer, you'll see I'm just pushing the clip right in just like that. I let it go because it clipped inside of the other one that's already there, that's already installed. So get that one in. Just gonna put a few more clips. Gonna put one here. These guys, you can put them like 16 inches apart. Put another one right here. Just gonna screw this one up here. Okay guys, so it's the same procedure as I show you to install the first one. The other one that we're gonna do now, you're just gonna shove it right in place and screw it up just like you see I screw up these one. Here we have a pot light. I'm gonna make the hole for the pot light right here, right now. Just gonna slowly turn it down slow. Don't wanna have it on any fast speed. Well, there you have it, guys. This is how it looks now. Just clean it off a little bit. I'm gonna turn those lights on. I just installed them. Just like you see here. We'll finish our installation now. Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Be safe.